How to customize header and footer and page number in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you, and I'm going to also going to show you the some features that you can use and you can make your header and footer very professional. Okay, so like guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and I have only one page. So I will show you how you can customize your header and footer. First, if you want to insert the header or footer, the simple way enable the header and footer, just go to the top of the page, just double click on it. Okay, so this is very fresh page, so it is not enabled now. So there, use the this option, go to the insert, go to the header footer, click on header, the header will be enabled. Now I double click on this, it will be enabled. Okay, same as you need to just double click on footer, it will be enabled. Okay, so let me insert the second page. Okay, so I have two page now. So this you can see this. So now you if you want to edit header, you need to just double click on it, then it will be enabled to edit. Okay, so from here you can change the margin. Okay, from here also you can change the margin, your header top margin and bottom margin in inches. Okay, so this option different first page, you can see different first page. If you enable it, so when you change anything in header, it won't be apply in other header. But if you untick it, then when you edit any header in first page, it will be applied to the rest of page, you can see. Now let me write the title. Okay, so I just write the title, web. So okay, so if you want to change the font, I want to just select it, and you can change the font from here. You can see I can change the color from here. Okay, I can increase the size from here. Okay, so if you want to make it in center, I have to just select it and go to the align option and make it center. Okay, so this text, this title will be applied to all header, you can see. Okay, so now if you want to insert the page number, just click on, so just skip cursor on at end of this title. Okay, now you can insert the page number from here, go to the option, or you can also insert the page number from here. Okay, you can use the format, you can start the page number from page number 2. Okay, or you can use the bottom format, you can use the page number in, in footer, and footer you can start page number from 2 page number. So I just skip one first format, which is the page number start from page number 1. So you can see the page number has been insert. Okay, so this is 1 2 3. So let me, okay, so now the title and page number in center. But if you want to make if you want to take this page number at your right side, you can easily take it. What you need to do, just right click on this ruler. Okay, if you don't find this ruler option, go to the view and enable this option, show ruler, then this ruler will be show you. Okay, just right click, just keep the cursor between the title and number, right click on it and add the right tab. Okay, the right tab will be enabled here. Now just click on it and take it at your right side. You can change the margin from here. Okay, this is your right tab. Now just click between the title and number and just hit the tab. The page number has come to the right side. Now we need to create another tab, the center tab. Okay, the center tab has been created. Now just click at the front place, of title, and now hit the tab and title will come on center and page number go to the your right side. So it will be applied to all page, you can see. Okay, now you can start typing in your page. Okay, so that is how you can customize your header, same as footer. Okay, you need to just type your footer details, and if you want, it will be applied to all page. If you want to make different for footer for page first page only, then just click on it and write the your footer. Okay, first you need to delete all. And same apply if you want to same apply the process if you want to insert the page number in footer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.